Deepa, Swati, Avantika, Netra, Shanti, Meghavarshini, Deeksha, Gayatri, everyone, hi. Today we can start with the session. Initially, we are going to do painting in this acrylic board. Very small creations we are going to do in this. Okay, in this acrylic board. Just watch what I am doing. You can do it. Small grassy effect you can give at the bottom. And then with your cone liners, you'll be doing little like flower-like things you'll be doing. It may not be visible. Even then, to have a nice look, we are going to do that work, preliminary work we are going to do on this. Okay. If you have given dark green over here, then you can use sap green. Or if you have given here sap green, then you can use dark green. Okay. See that the green which you are choosing, it is just contrast to the color what you are used earlier. Okay. Your board must be very pale in color. Okay. So you can use dark greens or sap greens to make like grassy effect can be made with that. Since because I have taken more of dark green color or light green color, I am choosing the sap green color to make the grassy effect. You need not take so much of water. You take only little of water and start doing it like this. Can you all see? It may not be visible too much and all. Just we need to have a grassy effect look. So we are giving this type of strokes. If your green color is very dark, then you can use light green instead of dark green. In your board, if the color is not visible, it need not be visible very prominently and all. It can be to a certain extent, it should be visible. Okay. I'll be doing it with sap green and then again I'll be doing it with lemon yellow or chrome yellow. If you have also, no problem, you can use that. Golden yellow also, it is okay. See, do the grassy effect, simple grassy effect, you do it. This is what the board we made it yesterday, okay? And few lines you make it taller so that it look like it is in the front part. Some curve, grassy effects you can give. I believe everyone you can see this, isn't it? Make some effects like this. This is more than enough. Okay, one or two alone I have made it taller. But see that all the lines are not in the same line. It should be up and down. It should not be uniform till here or something like that. If you should pull it up or in the down itself, you just stop it. Do it only from the down, not from here to here. Then you will not get this pointed ends. You need to do it only like this. Then to give more effect, I am going to use lemon yellow. Use only pointed brush. Touch little of lemon yellow and start doing lines like this so that it get merged with the earlier color. I have given sap green, so that will be good. Okay, very little if you do enough. This is more than enough. If you want to make it little more attractive, then you can use little of brown and black to highlight the grassy part at the bottom. Very little, but not to that green extent. You need to give the brown and all. Very little you have to apply. So if you cover the gaps in between, even it is enough. Okay, very little is enough. Do very little of the brown, and later for little more highlight, you can add black. Touch little of the black. While using black, see that you don't spoil the board. Like very little of black is enough. I'm drawing lines like this, okay? Very thin lines. I believe everyone can see this. You should start from the bottom and let the pointed end be at the top. Okay, that's all. We have finished the grassy effect at the bottom. Okay, then it will give the 3D look like this is sky and the ground part, and here the grasses are there, and the flowers here we are going to place it. Okay, this has to dry for some time. Now you can take the cone liners, 3D outliners or cone liners you can use. Even liquid embroidery cones also it is okay. I have taken pink color. I'm going to make just small flowery pot like thing, like 2 or 3. Press it in the top and do it. See, you can make some flowery effects like this. Okay. You can use red, orange or pink, lavender. All those colors will be good for making it like this. Do it at the bottom and at the top. Anywhere in the grass, you can show that. Okay, can you all see how we are made? Very small things is enough. Now that I am going to use orange, same way here and there you make some dots or lines or something like that so that it will look like flowers. I think everyone can view the thing properly. Even 5 dots can be kept, and inside in the middle you can keep one white or yellow dots. That also it look good. Now in the middle, I am going to keep a yellow dot. So better don't choose yellow for the flower. Okay, very fast we can finish this grassy effect with little small tiny flowers. Does it look good? Yes. See, this weekend we have finished the board work today. We can allow it to dry for a few minutes. Before that, you can take all the cut pieces. The cut pieces, what you are having, you can take it. And what we are going to do it, we are going to stick the two-way stickers. See, here's two-way stickers are there. Don't use bigger pieces. You take very small, tiny piece. Use some proper scissors, okay? See, leave it in the center part so that it doesn't, it is not, see, you should not take this yellow wrapper now. It's a, let it be like that only. Okay? You need to stick it in the middle. Middle, we have given dark color. So for each part of the thing, we need to stick that. For flower, in the center alone, it is enough. See, I have stuck like this. Very small pieces you need to cut. Cut it into tiny pieces and then stick it. If glue drops are available, it will be more good. It will be a transparent drop, so it will be very nice. It will not have a white patch, like it will not show that patch out. See, in the middle of the thing I have pasted. For all the pieces, you need to do this. See the yellow wrapper on the top, you should not remove now. Only while pasting it, we need to remove that. For the butterfly, you just keep it in the center like this and just fold the thing like this. Butterfly, you need to fold it like this. Just place it in the center and just fold it like this so that it looks little bit embossed. Okay. Here I have stuck one alone. Don't keep too much also, then it will be visible. While pasting, after pasting, it will be visible. Okay. See that you keep very small, tiny bits. Use some good scissors, only then you can cut the two-way stickers properly. I'm leaving it here in the center, okay? See the part which we have colored, it is the backside part. There only you need to paste it. Front will be a shining and attractive part. It will be smooth. That is the front side. We'll be pasting it only like this, okay? Likewise, for all the leaves and grass also you need to paste it. See, grass part we have cut and we have taken it like this, isn't it? For this also at the back, you have to paste for the fern, you need to paste it. And for all the leaves also you need to paste it. All the leaves also you must paste the two-way stickers. See, for the leaf, at the bottom of the leaf alone, if you paste enough, don't paste it in the center. Here at the bottom, you keep it. Okay, so that when you are pasting it, it is not visible. See, for all the thing, you need to paste like this and keep. For grass, I will show you now. See, grass part here at the last bit alone, I have pasted it. Can you all see this? 1 or 2 or 3, even 4, even you can paste it. In the corners alone, you paste it. See that you don't remove the yellow wrapper at the top. Only while pasting, we need to remove that. Otherwise, it will start sticking to the places wherever it is kept. For the fern, you keep it in the bottom, like green portion will be there, no? There you can paste it. See that it is not bigger in size. It should be very small. See that it is kept like this. See, leave it in the green portion. Here, like this, you need to paste it for the ferns. Be very careful that you don't spoil the work by making the cuttings bigger. See, have it like this. Likewise, for the other set of grass also, I am pasting it. I think everyone can see this. You need to paste it like this. Till then, allow the board to dry, okay? If the board is not dry, just don't paste it at all. Allow it to dry. After the canvas board gets dried, then you can paste it on that. You need to keep ready with all these things. Only then you can assemble. See, I have pasted for all the things. Can you all see? Like I have left the two-way stickers. For the flower in the middle, we need to keep it. And for the grasses in 2 or 3 places or even 4 places, you need to place it. And for the fern, you need to place it here. And for the leaves, in the bottom of the leaf. Everything it should be done in a tiny parts only you need to paste it, okay? For the butterfly, the center alone if you leave enough. Center alone it is enough. Now that after pasting all these things, flower part you can do it. Like the bigger base is there, isn't it? You take the bigger base, on that you keep the medium size thing. You remove the yellow wrapper and just place it on it. Just place it on it. So that it will look embossed. Can you all see? Both the thing it will be seen separate. Okay, center alone it is pasted. Same way, the smaller piece also you have to keep it. See that same color you keep it for the same flower. Don't interchange the thing and keep. Then it may not look good. Remove the wrapper from the smaller piece of the flower and keep it in the middle piece of the flower. See that this is what it is. You need to make it like this. Okay. Same way you need to do the other flower too. The bigger piece at the bottom we have pasted, let it be. While pasting it in the board, we'll be removing this and pasting it. We are not going to use anything like Fevicol or any other thing to paste for the board. Only with this it is going to be pasted. Remove the yellow wrapper just before pasting and then place it. Otherwise, dust may stick to it and it may not get pasted properly. Remove the yellow wrapper paper on that and then you just place it in the center. Just by viewing this, can you see anything in the middle like white color or anything like that? It will not be visible. Okay? Front side, it will not be visible at all. So the cutting should be made in such a way that it is very small, tiny piece. I am pasting it in the board now itself, Ma, just to finish the session. It is not that you have to do it immediately. Allow the 3D outliners and cone liners to get right and then you can do the pasting part. Now that I am pasting it now itself. Okay. Remove the yellow wrappers. The paper at the top, the yellow paper, you need to remove it and keep it in such a way that it looks good. While you are keeping it itself, you have to see that you are keeping it in a proper place. Otherwise, it may not stick properly. See, first piece I have kept it like this. First piece I have kept it like this. Can you all see that? Such a beautiful effect it will give. The other piece, you have to keep it in such a way that all other grasses at the bottom is also visible. You need to overlap and keep it. See that this part we are going to keep a flower, okay? This part. Like sepal like thing we have made, no, that. Very slowly keep it in such a way that the cutting doesn't go out of the board also. Very slowly take time and do it with little patience, okay? This is what the thing, like we have pasted it. Does it look good? Then later we are going to paste, assemble the flower. Here I am going to paste one flower. The other flower I am going to paste it here. Okay. For that you need to remove the wrapper at the bottom piece of the flower and just place it like this. Corner alone, see that it is overlapped. This part and this part is overlapped. Not too much here like this and all. If you want also, you can keep it like that. But since here too much place is there, I want to cover the board. So I am leaving it here. Otherwise, all the things will be getting congested here itself. I wanted it to be on the top. See, I pasted one of the flower here. Can you see? The other one, this yellow wrapper, you just take it out. And then place it near to this part, near to that part, so that it doesn't come in the same line. It is little bit down to the other flower. Once if you place, it is placed, okay? You should not remove it, otherwise it will spoil the board also. Okay? This is what we have done, okay? Now we are going to paste the butterfly and other ferns and all those things you need to paste. You stick the thing properly, like that part alone, you just press it so that it will stick properly. How beautiful it looks, you see? Like you have a 3D effect of the thing. Can you all view that? And this we are going to, like butterfly, we are going to fold it in the center. Two sides you are going to fold it like this so that the sheet comes like this, embossed. And I'm going to leave it here. The top I'm going to leave it. Either you can leave it like this towards the flower or away from the flower like this. It is your own choice. Like I'm going to leave it like this. Remove the yellow paper and then just place it here. See that it doesn't go out of the board also, okay? My board, I have kept it in a smaller size board. I believe everyone, you are having somewhat bigger boards, okay? A4 size you will be having. This is not A4 size. This is little bit smaller one. In this, it seems to be congested. But in your board, it will look really good. You'll have enough space and you can place it like you can, wherever you want, you can paste it. Okay? This is what the thing. Then later we need to paste the leaves. How much of our green leaves and all we do, keep it for the flower, it will be nice only. See, very small leaves, you can keep it towards the flower, and bottom you can leave some bigger leaves. You imagine it as a stem and just leave it near to it. See, I've left two of the leaves here and here. Can you all see that? Yeah. See that while cutting the two-way stickers, you make it very small. Otherwise, that itself it will look bad. See, I'm leaving few leaves near the flower also. See that you lift the flower and just keep it inside so that it looks like it is coming from the flower. Same way, how many ever you want, you can leave it near the flower. I'm just going to keep two of the leaves at the top so that it looks real and natural. I'll tell you how to paste the fern part also. The assembling part, it is purely your choice, like however you want, you can do it. See, one part I am going to paste it near the grass. since we have given a prominent color like pink and lavender, it will be obviously it will be visible near the green color. Okay. I think everyone can follow this. See that near pink color flower, you keep some other fern, and near the other color flower, you keep the other color one. Like only then it will be visible and it will look contrast and attractive. And one I am going to leave it here. Just lift the grass part, one part of the grass, and just keep it there. If you make this itself very small, this portion it's at the height of the flower till here, if you make no, we can keep it even here in the flower. Like you can place it here, like it, you can show that like a pollen. Here also you can paste it. That is your wish, okay? But for that, we should not have this green part underneath and all. This green part underneath should not be made. Just as such, you can make it pointed and you can just place it here. But now for this board, I don't think so. It will be good because it is small. If you have bigger board, it will be really good. I'm leaving one more fern here. Okay. The other one, I'm going to leave it in the other side. Such an attractive work. You can make the children or whoever it is, you can do it neatly. It will be done. See, I've kept all the ferns. I've kept like 2 ferns of pink and 2 of lavender. Same way, arrange the green leaves. Like if you don't want so many leaves also, you can leave it. But how much ever greenery you show, it will be good only. It will look natural and it will be contrast to the light shade and pale shade of your board. See that while you are pasting it, it doesn't go out of the board. For this, the framing can be done like box frames can be done and you can put it. Only then the embossed effect and all it will be seen. You need to do box framing. Few leaves, you see that you are pasting it near to the grass also. That also it will look good. Pasting of leaf should be proper. That pointed end should come up and the base should be flat. Like curved part should be at the bottom. Children, you take care while pasting all those things. See, our assembling part is over now. Can you all see? Assembling part is over. If you want to highlight it more, then even you can draw some little birds or anything over this. But that should not be prominent, bigger ones and all, because that will not be suitable for this painting. Okay. I believe everyone you can follow this and understand. See how embossed and you can very well see the 3D effect of it. Can you all see? View it properly. When you do it, you will be able to see that 3D effect. Now only to certain extent I can show you the thing. Here with earlier we made with cone liners, isn't it? 3D outliners, we made little flowers and all. If you want, after this work is done also, you can make it prominent and you can make it visible. Like you can make small lines or something like this, you can make it visible. Few of it went inside and we can't see that, isn't it? For that, you can do it later after pasting. Very few, if you keep enough, don't make so many flowers and all, then it will be very much congested and it will not look good. Can you see what I am making? Wherever space is there, you can do
Hi,
it.
Savi.
Yes.
Someone needs the recap. Give recap.
Yeah, I'll tell you the recap, ma. 1 second. I'll finish the work and I'll be telling you from the beginning what we did.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. I'll finish this work and I'll be telling you the recap, okay? You can use green cone liners like this and you can make stalks for this. For the flower, you just make stalks like this. It need not be very visible. Slightly, if it is seen also, it is okay. Some lighter color thing like yellow and white can be taken and you can show some ferns in between also. Directly in the board, you can show that. That will look really pretty. It will be very nice. Can you all see that? How I have made? Don't keep very congested ferns and all. Like you keep on the board also, you make it with very pale colors of it. Then it will be looking good. With white, you can add little bit of blue or something also. That also will be nice. The concept is the cutting portion is in the front and the board where what we are doing is at the back. So that will not be visible that much. So we are choosing the lighter color. Okay. I think everyone can see this. The white portion here I have made. So I've left one of the leaf. I'll just paste it somewhere here. Find a proper place and place it. I'm leaving it here near the flower. Okay. I've left 3 leaves over here and 2 here. And ferns I have made. Here I have made these things. Okay. Check whether all the portions are pasted properly. You press and leave the portion like where we have kept the two-way sticker and make it stick properly. Before framing, you check all those that and then you frame it. You need to frame with box. Box framing should be done for this. Now I'll start with the recap. Okay, this is what the finished thing looks like this. Okay. Any white board or canvas board should be taken first and then with the acrylic colors, something like acrylic colors should be taken. I gave you like 4 of the acrylic colors needed. I told blue for the sky part, and white, yellow and green. Extra what we can use is brown you can use for the bottom part and cerulean blue I have used for the top part. Okay, sky blue even you can use it. With white you need to merge it over here. Initially start with blue. Then by touching white color you bring it here and you do the thing only with the flat brush you can do it. Use something like flat brush of number 8 or 10 can be used according to the size of the board. You choose the brush. Okay, flat brush should be used and then you have to do the coloring in such a way that touch more water and do it from right to left and left to right. Same way you come down with white and you touch little of yellow and start it in the middle, not in the middle, 1/4 from the bottom. There you start doing it with yellow and you start merging it with white at the top. So automatically you will have these pale colors. Okay. Few of you have done all the things properly. This part and all, it is okay in all your boards and most of your boards. And here you have missed it. Like green, you have to take it and you have to mix it with the yellow part. So it is going to merge properly with the yellow, and pale yellow, light green and dark green will be coming. And then at last here I have taken sap green. Instead of sap green, even with pale brown burnt sienna or dark brown, you can use very lightly. You touch with water and you just paint it. Allow this to dry for a few minutes. You dry it nicely, and then I've given 2 of the sheets, isn't it? These sheets printouts you are having, no? In that you keep the OHP sheet. Like yesterday what we did, I'm having that, I'll show you. Keep over this like this and start giving outlines like this. See that you are clipping it to your some pad. See that you are clipping it to some pad and start doing it. Here you need to put the outlines. Then after giving outlines, you see that we are giving cosmic effects like this. Like cosmic effect in the sense like textured work we are giving. With same color I have done the dots and the pollen thing and all, I have made it. Okay. And the middle of the thing alone, I have made it with 3D outliner gold. Okay. With that also you can make, or with silver you can make it. For green grasses, I have made it with cone liner, green cone liners, neon color, and I have made dots with yellow. You can all view that at the front side. Back side, after giving the color, it may not be visible, but front it will be visible prominently. You can see no, the textured effect what with yellow I have given. Okay. Same way, the butterfly also I have given. Butterfly, I have made it with black at the outer part, black I have given with so many like colors like pink I have used and white I have used, which will be visible even in black. It will be prominent and it will look good. With orange also you can make it. This butterfly I have made it with orange. Okay, orange and orange dots and white dots I have made it. Here I have made it with pink and yellow and white. Pink, yellow and white I have made it. And green color you need to give for all these leaves. Leaves also you need to give green color. And the fun part how you are going to do is just randomly you place the dots in the lines where I have given. Okay, you need to make the fun part bottom. This part you need to do it with green cone liners. This part you need to do it with green. Can you all view this? Okay. Then very slowly after the thing, everything, coloring, everything is done. You need to cut these pieces properly in the shape of it. You need to cut it properly in the shape of it. And then you need to paste two-way stickers or double-side tape, you call it, okay? You have to cut it in small bits like this. See, I have kept the bits like this. Like this, you cut and keep the bits. And this you can place it in the center of the flower. And all the cutting should be placed one above other. And then it should be placed here in the board. Okay? Arrangement and assembling of the it is to your will, like you can do however you want. Is it okay, everyone? You came to know what we did? Thank you, ma. If any doubts, you can call me, like, or you can chat in the WhatsApp.
Some leaves are dry in my board also.
What, ma?